Hey there!
Hi there!
It's G from OG Creations.
It's been 84 years.
I know. It's been a while.
I am so fucking bored.
That's just a fact.
I fell off right after Halloween. But we had Thanksgiving, new adoptions, memorials, holidays, heated rivalry.
I'm going in with all my holes open. What can I say? She's had a difficult life.
Anyway, I've been playing around with Muck Dyes. I hope you like those because that's the shit you're gonna get for the next foreseeable future. Let's start with a women's denim jacket just in time for all those Valentine gatherings.
I need wines.
I need some wine.
Do you have wines?
I'm starting with a cotton spandex women's flex denim jacket from Tommy Hilfiger. This has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. I crumple it up in the bottom of a big, deep plastic storage container. I top it with a shit ton of ice. In no particular design, I playfully add my dye powders from Dharma Trading. I'm going to be using Warrior Princess, Nightshade, and Plum. Once I think enough is enough, I top it with soda ash and put the lid on it. I set this aside for about 5 days and let it hang out in all that mucky water. It was rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increased the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash had been removed. And then run it through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. It was dried, ironed, and then I popped it up on my Etsy store. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. So what do you think? Do you like muck dyes? Do you like the breakouts from the color?
I've mucked it up again.
What else would you like to see muck dyed in the future? If you have any questions,
I have so many questions.
pop them in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer all of them. Okay, that's enough. I'll see you next time.